Look at this bee in my garden, just enjoying itself. You know, it's on the color greens and it's just there. It's around me almost all, like for over 2 hours now. You know what I'm saying? And it's just having fun. Oh, I see what it's doing. It's there waiting. Okay, it's sucking the fruit and it's also waiting on flies, anything come by. It's almost catch this little fly right there. You see it fly? Yeah. Now it's gone lower down. So it's just there enjoying itself.
It's so hot. It's cold to me.
I'm wondering what kind of bee is this one, or whatever it is, but I'm not sure. If anyone knows what kind of bee is it, or what kind of insect is it, please go in the comment section and write your comment. And let me and every viewers come to the conclusion of what it is, what kind of bee it is, or what kind of insect it is. All I know is they're sucking from the broccoli plant, the flowers, and is either it running flies or it's trying to eat them. I'm not sure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment and also share. I'm in my garden, molding up my garden, and this bee right here, whatever it is, insect, bee, whatever, is just enjoying it and take over the plant completely. This is a broccoli plant. We have another one here. Don't know what it is. Some people say it is Jack Spaniard, I don't know. Some people call them other names. You see? It's my friend. It's allowing me to record it. It's just moving from branch to branch. Anyone knows what this beautiful insect is, please go in the comment box and share your opinion, share your views, and hit the notification button I don't think it's an insect to destroy your plant. You see that? You see that? Ah, anyway, it's gone. So guess what? Please like, comment, and share. Oh, there's the next one up here. Ooh. Oh, it come back. I thought it gone. It's right here. Just having fun. All right, so anyone know the name of this insect? Just feel free to comment, like, and share. But this is my garden. I'm here trying to mold it up and clean the weeds out of the garden. All right, guys, have a blessed and wonderful day. Hit the notification button and you will get all videos that I share. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.